Alright, let's talk about something that's changing the game for farmers everywhere: modern technology in farming. If you think farming is all about tractors and hard labor, you're in for a surprise. Today I'm breaking down how tech is making farms smarter, more efficient, and yep, even a bit cooler. First up, let's talk about drones. No, not the kind you see racing on TV. These are built for farming. With just a few taps on your phone or tablet, you can send a drone flying over your fields. It'll snap high-res images, check plant health spot problems like pests, spot dry patches way before you could see them from the ground. That means you can act fast, saving crops, saving money. Next, there's precision agriculture. Sounds fancy, right? But it's actually about using data to make better decisions. Sensors in the soil track moisture, nutrients. GPS-guided tractors plant seeds at the perfect depth and spacing. The result? You use less seed, less water, less fertilizer, but you get more crops. It's like having a superpower for your farm. And don't forget about smart irrigation. Imagine your fields only getting watered when they actually need it. Sensors can tell you exactly when to irrigate, exactly where to irrigate, so you don't waste a single drop. That's good for your wallet and the planet. Now, let's talk about apps. There are apps for tracking weather, managing equipment, predicting market prices. With all that info in your pocket, you can make quick decisions that used to take hours or days. It's like having a whole team of experts with you, right in your phone. But here's the best part. You don't have to be a tech genius to get started. Most of this technology is designed to be simple and user-friendly. And there's a ton of support out there. Local ag extension offices, online videos, and community groups ready to help you make the leap. Modern tech isn't about replacing farmers. It's about empowering you to do more with less. Whether you run a huge operation or a small family farm, these tools can help you boost yields, cut costs, and make your life a whole lot easier. So if you're ready to take your farm to the next level, don't be afraid to try something new. The future of farming is here, and it's looking pretty bright. Thanks for watching, and happy farming.